Hello! In today's video, we are going to show how to use the send out function inside Calendar, a tool that allows you to send campaigns and notifications through WhatsApp in a practical and organized way. With it, you can send messages to the contacts collected directly in your forms, or if you prefer, upload an Excel spreadsheet with your own database of numbers. But attention! It is very important that these contacts have given their opt-in to receive your messages. Otherwise, the numbers can be permanently banned by Meta. Here I am in the Calendar Dashboard. I will select the Send Out option. The first step here is to select the phone number to manage the campaigns. I will select the number I want. Now I need to upload a contact list. Here I must upload an Excel file. It must be in XLSX or XLS format. And the phone numbers must be in the first column. You can also send directly to the leads collected by the forms if you prefer. Here is an example of how the spreadsheet should look. It must have only one column with the WhatsApp numbers. Put the name WhatsApp in the column. And for the phone numbers, don't forget to include the country code without the plus sign in front. Now I click on Choose File. I select my file. And here it asks me to create a tag for this contact list. As an example, I will put here, What's Leads 1. After that, I click on Upload List. As you can see here, it shows a confirmation message saying that 3 contacts were uploaded successfully with the tag What's Leads 1. The next step now is to create a campaign. Here, I will give a name to the campaign, and then I will select the journey I want. We have another complete tutorial showing how to create the journey. Done. Now I will click on the campaign I created. Here I can send a test campaign if I want. Just type the number here and click Send. What I should do now is select the tags for whom I want to send this campaign. Let's select the tag of the leads we uploaded, What's Leads 1. And now I click on Send to Selected Tags. Here it sends a notification. I click on OK. And as you can see here, it displays a confirmation message that the campaign was successfully sent to 3 contacts. If I scroll down here, I can see the campaign status. In this panel, I can view how many campaigns were sent, how many had errors, and even how many campaigns were read. Here, I can click on Refresh to update the page. We can see that 2 contacts received it, but neither of them has read it yet. Now we are here inside WhatsApp. As we can see, we received a message from Calendar. I'll click on it. I received the campaign message, so everything is fine. I can click Continue. Now I can complete the form. And as soon as I send it, I receive the confirmation message. Now back to this panel. If I click Update again, we can see that this number was marked as read, while this other one is still marked as delivered. In other words, this user did not open the message. What I can do now is send a new campaign only to the users who did not open this campaign. For this, I have this function, Retarget Unread Contacts. Here, just type the tag you want to mark and click on Create List. Now let's create a new campaign for these leads. I go back to the page and click on Create Campaign. Let's give a name to this new campaign. Here, I will select the journey, which can be the same or a different one. Here, I will choose the same one. Now let's select the tag I created for the users who did not read the message. And finally, I click on Send to Selected Tags. As you can see here in the panel, the campaign was sent successfully. Now we are back here in WhatsApp, this time in another number. I will enter the conversation. And as you can see, I received this same message twice since I had not seen it the first time. And that's it. In this tutorial, you learned how to use the send out function from Calendar to send campaigns through WhatsApp. We also saw how to monitor the status of the messages, understand which contacts viewed them, and even create new campaigns targeted to those who have not read your message yet. This is a powerful way to keep communication active with your leads and increase the reach of your campaigns in an organized and secure way.